Hello everybody and welcome back to Maths Miss Buick. This is the third video within Financial Maths and we are covering instalment savings. This is video 2 on this. I already have a video on instalment savings and I would recommend that you would look at that video first because there is steps 1 to 5 in Word format as to how you carry out the question. So here's example 2. Find the sum of money, €P needed, to be saved per month to cover the cost of a €1,000 holiday in 18 months' time, and interest is 0.4% per month. So let's begin by first writing down our formula. As we say, we're saving for the future, so the F formula. F is equal to P1 plus I to the power of T. Now, we know that there are 18 payments because they're totaled in 18 months' time. So straight away we know that the T value is 18. So let's write that down. So T is equal to 18. We also know what the I value is here. So the I is 0.4%. And we're going to divide that by 100 to bring us to decimal. So we have 0.004. And our P value, well, it's €P in the question, so that's what we're trying to find out. So let's equal it to a question mark. Now we're going to come along and put our 3 values, including our question mark, into our future formula. So we have F. Now bear in mind here, F is what we're trying to save. And we know that value as well. It's €2,000, so our F is 2,000. So we have 2,000 is equal to P. We'll leave P as it is. 1.004 power of 1 will be our first term. Move over now again and do another one. So we can see here we're working out our geometric series, power of 2. And we're not going to write out 20 or 18 of these. We're simply going to write out only a few of them and put ... in between. And don't forget your pluses. And we're putting the power of 18 here. Okay, so there we go. Now from this geometric series, we can find out what is the A, the R and the N. So our A, our R and our N. Well, our A is our first term. And we can see that our first term is this. So P, 1.004. Our R is our common ratio. So what is changing every time, or what are we multiplying each term by to get to the next term? And we can see it's 1.004. In other words, if you're stuck in this, it's just the bracket. And then our N is the number of terms we have, and of course we've got 18 terms since we're starting as a power of 1 and working our way over to 18, so 18. So there are our terms, or our 3 values for our geometric sequence formula. And now let's write out the formula. So here we have Sn is equal to A, 1 minus R to the power of N, all over 1 minus R. And we're going to sub in our values. Now we know that Sn represents the sum of the total number of terms, and we know that number is €2,000. And our A was P, 1.004. Next up, put in the 1. Our R value, 1.004. And our power is 18 because we had 18 terms. All over 1 minus 1.004. Next of all, we want to solve to get P on its own. So now we're just doing a little bit of algebra here. So we're going to bring what is under the line here, which is being divided up here, and multiply it. But of course, 1 minus 1.004 is negative 0.004. So that's what we'll bring over instead. And then we equal that. I'm just rewriting here, as you can see. Okay, so if we go to our calculator, I'm simply typing in 2,000 multiplied by negative 0.004. we get -8. Next of all, I'm going to type all of this in the calculator, and of course, as long as you put the brackets in the correct places, you're fine. We get -0.07479. And all we have to do now is get the p here, so we can see this is being multiplied by the p. So let's bring that over again and divide it. Two negatives, of course, a negative divided by a negative is positive, which is good news. We know if you get a negative value here, we're going completely wrong because we can't have a negative installment. And then we go to calculator and divide those numbers. And we get €106.95 per month. And that is our answer.